Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I am so happy because I have hydrangea blossoms here. And okay, I didn't grow these, but they are still making me feel excited about all the hydrangea that will be out in my garden soon. So these are from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is a really fun place to get some plants, and we were there yesterday and saw these, and they're beautiful. So now when you see hydrangea at Trader Joe's or in a grocery store right now, even some of your garden centers will start to get in smaller hydrangeas like this close to Easter, celebrating the beginning of spring, so you can put them on your table, so you can get excited about all the hydrangea that are going to be blooming in the future. And these are different than the ones that you're going to grow in your garden. Pretty much these are called either gift hydrangeas or vanity hydrangeas, in that they are grown by florists specifically to bloom early, to last the season on your table, and to be thrown away. A floral variety of hydrangea often has a shorter time that it needs to be cold, so they can force bloom them faster each year. And we get the beautiful blossoms, but they're not developed for winter hardiness outside. Oh, let's see what the cats are doing. Oh, they like the tulip that I picked up. Hi there, Pumpkin. Are you checking on these? Okay, let's peek over. Hello, everybody. So, you know, the ones that I get outside, I either have to take into the shed, or if they're hardy enough to go in the ground, they're bred to be stronger that way. But you know what? These you have two choices with. You can either enjoy them for what they are, which I am doing immensely right now, or you can save these in pots outside and put them in an unheated place over the winter. They will probably do fine then. So I got one of these, a beautiful blue one from Trader Joe's, from my mother-in-law a couple years ago, and they were fabulous. And I thought, I'm gonna try to overwinter that. I put it in a pot, took it out the next year. It bloomed gorgeous. So it's bloomed now. This is going to be its third season. I have it in the shed right now. I'll probably do the same thing with these. You know, it's sort of like, what's the worst that can happen? They don't make it, and we try something else next year. Now, you won't know exactly what variety these are. That's the other thing, because usually they're just, you know, the gift hydrangeas, but that's okay, because what I want now are hydrangeas. Now, when I look at these, at first I wondered to myself, you know, why don't I just leave some hydrangeas in my house, have it be a house plant, get them to bloom myself like this. But unfortunately, hydrangeas do not like to be inside year-round. Hydrangeas require a cold period, like tulip bulbs or daffodil bulbs, where they have to get a certain amount of chill time before they can bloom. So the florist has already done that here. They are working to breed varieties of hydrangeas that have a shorter chill time. I've even heard of one variety that might not even need chill time coming up. So we will have to see. Do notice that the cats are sniffing, but we're going to make sure that these are kept up from them and they don't eat them, because they're mildly toxic. Usually animals are smart enough not to eat them, but you wouldn't want to take a chance for that. And Pumpkin loves to taste everything. He just can't help it. So I hope that when you are out in the next few weeks, you see some beautiful hydrangeas that you just can't pass up, and go ahead, treat yourself and enjoy them for this time in the spring until we can get outside. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.